Hi everyone, hope you had a great weekend. This weekend, we went to Fort Worth. We stopped by at the landmark where they were celebrating Mardi Gras and checked out the food, the fair, the crafts, the arts, the restaurant. That was a lot of fun. But now it was time for us to go visit the stockyard, the historic stockyard in Fort Worth. Dave heard about this cattle drive. I had no idea what that was all about, so I was really surprised when I went to this place and saw all the neat things. And what's this? Lions, hippos, bears, deer. It was awesome. And there was other things as well, like art and clothes, boots, shoes, candy, yum. It kind of reminded me of Knott's Berry Farm in California, a little bit, but not quite, but similar, but pretty interesting. I don't know. I liked it. You can go to the petting zoo. You can do like pony rides. You can ride one of those old style like things. That. I forget what it's called. But you can ride that and just hang around town. There's the choo-choo train. There's a cow in the middle of the street you can ride. It was pretty amazing. Every single building had some kind of historical significance. Every corner we turned on, look at that. That was on the ground at our feet. And the carriages that drove people back and forth through town. I wanted to ride one, but we were so excited we just kept walking and walking, museum after museum, and important facts on the walls. There were some statues. And then there was the John Wayne experience. Dave was ecstatic. That's his favorite actor. Imagine his surprise. We have a whole bunch of John Wayne stuff. We have mugs, we have plaques, we have a clock, we have t-shirts, anything John Wayne. We have his movies. So Dave was in heaven. We made our way outside because the cattle drive was just about to start. That's so exciting.
We found out that not bad. Welcome to Fort Worth, Texas. Welcome to Fort Worth Stockyard National Historic District. We are so glad you are joining us on this beautiful, beautiful day, this afternoon, for the 4 p.m. edition of the world's only Tri-State Cattle Drive.
The crowd went quiet a little bit because look at that sight. It is stunning just to see all that cattle up close and personal like that. Wow. Dave and I had a great time. We want to go back here again, especially to bring visitors. Bye for now, Fort Worth. In the meantime, let's go back to my house where I'll show you a trick or two with cooking and cleaning. See you there. Hi everyone, it's Marge and I hope you're having a great weekend. Today I'm going to show you how to make my shortcut potatoes. It's simple, easy, and quick, and it's actually pretty good. I like to use the small red potatoes. I make sure and wash them really well and scrape off every last bit of dirt. Make sure everything is clean because I don't take the skin off. I just chop it the way it is. And I have a shortcut. Instead of throwing it in the pan, I put it in the microwave first. It softens the potatoes and you don't cook it as long as you would if you never microwaved it. Just maybe 2.5 minutes for this size, sometimes 3 if you're making more. In the meantime, I'm just gonna chop up some onions and then turn on the pan and put olive oil. Then I saute the onions while the potatoes are still in the microwave, and then I add them. And it does shorten the cooking time quite a bit. I add my seasoned salt, pepper, garlic powder, and this time I'm actually gonna add pieces of garlic as well. Just a little bit to make it a little bit more flavorful and savory. That much, not too much. I mix that all together. If you have green peppers, go ahead and mix that in, or red peppers are good as well. I'm gonna also add some green onions because I like it with a little bit more of that savory taste. Not that much. And then I brown the potatoes. I also made bacon, eggs, and some bread and butter, and voila! Cleaning tip of the day. Use lemon rinds to remove grease and dirt from your pots and pans and plates that you don't want your sponge to touch. I use that to clean my pots and pans, and then I clean it with a sponge. Enjoy! Uh-oh, I think it's time to give the dogs a bath. Look at that. And that, my friend, is why we're going to give him a shower today. Now he's clean and fresh. And now that CJ's all clean, it's time to look for Pixie. It's Pixie's turn, and I know she doesn't like it, but she's gonna have to take a shower too. Pixie was actually pretty good. She didn't really fight me this time. She was actually well behaved. Maybe she knew it was time. And she was also gonna get another doggy massage. Pixie always gets cold, so I try to give her a shower inside the house, usually in the laundry room, workroom, garage sometimes, bathtub, and she was actually good this time. Looks like she liked her bath and she liked her massage. Good girl. No more. All done. All done. And now that the dogs were clean, we all got ready for dinner and then watched our favorite shows. All in all, we had a great weekend adventure. Join us again next time for more weekend adventures with Dave and Marge. In the meantime, if you like this video, click like and subscribe. And we'll see you again soon. Bye!